Hey, what is up YouTube? Lando Tech here, and in this video, I'll be showing you 3 ways to open the Google Play Movies app on your Google TV. And all I ask in return is for you to like this video and subscribe so you can see more content like this. For the first method, simply use the voice command option to open Google Play Movies. Do this by pressing and holding the voice assistant button on your remote control and say either open Google Play Movies or open Google TV. For the second method, from the home screen, navigate to Settings. Go to Apps. Scroll down to All Apps. Then scroll all the way down to Show System Apps. From here, keep scrolling and keep scrolling and scrolling until you see Google Play Movies. Click Google Play Movies, then click Open. For the third method, which is in my opinion the most convenient method, I'll show you how to add a Google Play Movies shortcut on your home screen so you can get to it without a voice command and without having to go through multiple layers of settings menus. To add the shortcut, you'll have to sideload it. The cool thing about sideloading third-party apps is it gets you apps that you wouldn't otherwise be able to get from the regular Play Store. But the downside is that these apps aren't subject to the same set of rules that Play Store apps are. For example, the Play Store makes developers disclose the data collection practices of their apps. So you as the user will at least be informed if an app is trying to collect your data. But any apps outside of the App Store are not bound to those same set of rules. Luckily, there's a very easy solution. Use a VPN before sideloading any third-party apps. I use NordVPN. If you want to use the same one, I'll leave a discount link for it in my description below. Enough yapping. Let me show you how to add the shortcut. Because we're sideloading the shortcut, you'll have to enable dev mode first. Do that by going back to the home screen. Then, going over to Settings. Then, click System. About. Click Android TV OS build 7 times until you see a message that says, "You are now a developer." Go to the home screen. Pan over to the Apps tab. Scroll down and search for Downloader. Click Downloader and click Install. Click OK if prompted. On the search box, type the following code: 3605581 and hit enter. Click the blue download button. Then click Download Anyway. Click Settings. Allow install from downloader. Click Install. Then click Done. Click Delete and delete again. Go to the home screen and you'll be able to see the Google Play Movies icon. If you click on it, it'll take you directly to the Google Play Movies app. You may have noticed me scroll past the Google Play Store app earlier. If you want to know how to get the Google Play Store shortcut on your home screen, then watch this video right here.